Hey, gorgeous souls! Ever wondered how rich people and celebrities seem to age in reverse? It's not just expensive creams or plastic surgery. Today, we're revealing 5 science-backed secrets that keep them glowing, youthful, and confident, naturally. And yes, you can do it too. We're diving deep into the world of red light therapy, ancient herbs, biohacking secrets, and so much more. Get ready to unlock your inner fountain of youth because trust me, these tips are absolute game changers. Subscribe to Dania's Secrets now for more life-elevating truths. First up, let's talk about the secret weapon taking Hollywood by storm: red light therapy. Celebrities like Jennifer Aniston and countless athletes swear by it, and for good reason. This isn't just hype, darlings, it's science. Red light therapy works by delivering specific wavelengths of light deep into your skin, stimulating collagen production. It's like giving your skin a daily dose of rejuvenation, helping to reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and even scars, all without needles or downtime. And the best part, you don't need a celebrity budget to experience the benefits. There are amazing at-home red light therapy devices available now, so you can get that Hollywood glow up right in your own bathroom. It's like a mini spa day, every day. Let's talk about another secret the wealthy use to stay youthful: intermittent fasting. Now, before you skip ahead thinking, fasting? Not for me, hear me out. This isn't about starving yourself, it's about giving your body a break to reset and recharge. Think of it like this. Imagine your body as a beautiful, high-performance machine. Just like any machine, it needs time to clean out the gunk and repair itself. That's what intermittent fasting does. Studies show it triggers a process called autophagy, your body's very own cellular recycling system. During autophagy, your body gets rid of old, damaged cells and makes way for fresh, new ones. Start by simply extending the time between your dinner and breakfast. It's a simple change that can have profound effects on your health and vitality. Chapter 3: Adaptogens and Ancient Herbs, Hollywood's stress-busting secret. We all know stress is a major ager, right? Those fine lines and wrinkles, often a reflection of stress and worry. But here's the thing. Celebrities, even with their glamorous lives, they experience stress too. So what's their secret weapon for staying calm, collected, and radiant? Adaptogens and ancient herbs. These powerful botanicals have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to help the body adapt to stress and restore balance. They work their magic by regulating cortisol, the stress hormone, which can wreak havoc on your skin, sleep, and overall well-being. Think of adaptogens like little guardians, protecting your body from the inside out. They help you stay calm, cool, and collected, no matter what life throws your way. From ashwagandha to rhodiola, there's a whole world of adaptogenic herbs waiting to be explored. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Chapter 4: Cold Therapy, the Ice Fountain of Youth. Ready for a secret that's literally cool? Let's talk about cold therapy. You might have seen videos of celebrities taking ice baths or plunging into freezing waters. Cold therapy, also known as cold exposure, has been shown to have incredible benefits for your health and appearance. It works by shocking your system, boosting circulation, and triggering a cascade of positive physiological responses. This increased circulation brings oxygen and nutrients to your skin, giving you that coveted youthful glow. You don't need to jump into a freezing lake. Start with a cold shower in the morning, or try adding ice to your face routine. Chapter 5: Sleep Hygiene, the ultimate beauty sleep. Now let's talk about the most luxurious secret of them all: sleep. We all know a good night's sleep is essential, but the rich and famous, they take their sleep seriously. They invest in blackout curtains, sleep tracking technology, and even oxygen-rich air purifiers. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which is essential for cell regeneration and repair. This is when your skin cells renew themselves, collagen production is boosted, and those pesky fine lines and wrinkles are minimized. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, ditch the screens an hour before bed, and make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Trust me, waking up well-rested is like giving yourself a mini facelift every single day. So there you have it, loves. The 5 secrets to looking younger, straight from the celebrity playbook. Looking younger isn't magic, it's mindset, science, and a few daily habits. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll glow just like the stars. Comment below. Which secret will you try first? I'm dying to know. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can unlock their inner radiance too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips from Dania's Secrets.